Hey guys, welcome back to Secret Informant. I am here with Olivia.
Hi guys, my name is Olivia. I'm from South Korea. I've been in Canada for over a year. So after graduating university from Korea, I just came to Canada for study English. Today I will be introducing you all to Korean food. Let's try samgyetang.
We are here at Nonhyun
Samgyetang.
which means chicken hot pot.
Yes.
And we are going to have some Korean food, which I don't think I've never had Korean food before.
여기는 이제 삼계탕 집이고 삼계탕은 이제 치킨 전체 치킨 한 마리로 만든 이제 한국 보양식 음식입니다. 오늘 이제 죽도 먹어볼 거고 이제 진생 인삼 음식도 먹어볼 예정이에요.
All right, well, what do you say we get in there and have some food? Okay,
Let's try.
Let's go.
제 이름은 게리고요. 그다음에 지금 이 레스토랑의 오너입니다. 여기 밴쿠버에서는 제가 작년 12월에 했고요. 한국에서도 계속 하고 있고 시작한 지는 1995년서부터 시작했습니다. 삼계탕은.
삼계탕은 이제 한국 사람들이 이제 한국에서 먹는 음식인가요?
네. 그리고 이 한국 분들은 이 삼계탕을 먹으면은 건강에 매우 좋다고 생각하시고, 그리고 삼계탕은 꼭 사람들이 제일 페보릿한 푸드입니다. 저희 이제 삼계탕 같은 경우에서는 어떠한 냄새도 잡냄새도 없고, 그리고 프레시하고 깊은 맛이 나서 다 좋아하게 될 겁니다. 그리고 또 그걸 또 우리 저기 본점에서도 많은 외국 분들이 단골 손님도 계시고요.
My goodness, this is a lot of food. So what is this? What's this soup right here?
이거는 이제 삼계탕이고 한국에서 이제 여름철에 이제 제일 더운 날 7월, 8월 이제 복날에 보통 한국 사람들이 많이 먹고요. 너무 더우면 이제 기력도 떨어지니까 이제 고기나 육류 종류의 음식을 오히려 이제 여름철에 먹고 이제 보양식 음식입니다.
So wait, you have it in summer, but it's hot in the summer? Is it hot in the summer in Korea?
Yeah, it's really hot.
Yeah.
In Korea, the Koreans believe we can get the hot thing with the hot.
That's so interesting.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
because I think normally in the West,
Right.
if it's like really cold and like rainy or something, you're like, this is a soup day.
Like basically sweats getting
Calm down.
down. It's
Oh.
with that idea.
That's so interesting. That's so interesting. So you have some hot soup when it's hot out. You start sweating.
Yes.
That cools you down.
Great.
That's one way to do it, for sure. Let's eat some food, I guess.
But this one is the inside the sticky rice.
Oh. The chicken is kind of stuffed with like a sticky rice.
Yes.
Whoa, yeah. Yeah. Big chunk there.
No.
Oh, that's a date.
Yes, date.
Ah. Wow.
How is it?
The flavor just kind of blankets my mouth. It's like that chicken. Like it doesn't feel rubbery or thick meaty. It's very soft. It's very tender. Like you don't just taste the chicken. You taste everything else that's in the soup as well. The green onion, the sticky rice.
You should try with kimchi. It's better.
Oh.
Like
Okay.
this, together.
Yeah, like that. Whoa.
Do you think it's spicy?
Woo! Oh, wow. It's like a spicy, crunchy celery almost. Which dish is this now?
기본 흰쌀 죽에 이제 뭐 여러 가지 재료 같은 거를 넣어가지고 이제 죽을 만들어서 먹는데 이제 소고기 버섯죽이 이제 가장 대표적인 죽으로서 이제 맛도 되게 맛있는데 이제 죽이 소화도 잘 되기 때문에 이제 아픈 사람이나 영양가가 좋기 때문에 이제 노인분들에게도 먹으면은 좋은 음식이에요.
Oh, that's like thick. Wow. Oh, thank you. Okay, here we go. Oh, I like that. Not what I was expecting at all. It's almost kind of like a barbecue flavor. It's kind of like smoky. Like when you think of porridge or oatmeal or something, you kind of think of this like thick, sticky sweet thing, and this is sweet, but it's also like very smooth at the same time. Like this is probably, you know, I saw it and I thought it was a soup. And then the beef kind of brings out this like kind of smoky, meaty flavor. So good. And then the mushrooms are kind of this interesting texture added onto that. Now, would you have this in the summertime?
저 여름에를 굳이 먹는 건 아니고 이제 아플 때나 그냥 밥 대신에
That's exactly what I was gonna say, is that this kind of feels like something that I would want to have if I was kind of feeling sick. My dad used to say, you want something that'll stick to your ribs.
yes.
Doesn't really translate very well probably, but this one, last dish, what's this about?
이거는 이제 그 인삼 프라이인데 원래 이거는 트레디셔널한 어디언한 푸드는 아니고 원래는 그냥 약재로도 쓰고 그냥 먹기도 하고 이제 수프에 넣어서 먹거나 이렇게 하는데 조금 요새 현대 스타일로 변형시킨 것 같아요. 왜냐면 인삼이 맛도 쓰니까 조금 더 이제 맛있게 먹는 방법으로 이렇게 조금 이 가게에서 이거 만든.
Give it a little bit of a new twist.
Yes, yes.
We've got the dipping sauces there, honey, cinnamon, and nuts.
Yes. This one first and second and
Okay. So the honey, then the cinnamon,
cinnamon and nuts.
then the nuts. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go.
Try.
Mmm. Wow. It almost tastes like a donut.
Donut?
But there's crispiness, obviously, because it's kind of like a deep fried tempura type thing. You got the sweetness of the honey, and then the nuts add some more crunch and some nutty flavor on top of that. I mean, that was amazing. Yeah, there's a bit bitterness, but I can understand how ginseng tasting that way kind of helps
Yes.
these other flavors to work so well with it, because it's kind of ready for you to add more flavors to it. This was a great experience. Each one of these dishes was very new to me. Like, I didn't know that Koreans like spiciness so much. Thank you so much for showing me, giving me a little taste of Korean food, and yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna try it again.
Yeah, I'm glad you to try Korean food today.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
You okay?
이거는 내가 지금 얘기한 거를 설명해 줘.
I didn't press record.
아.